I hope you don't mind, I hope you don't mind, I hope you don't mind.
Alright, welcome to Anthem and Rolio.
How wonderful life is.
We are on
Now
our way
you're in the world. I'm sorry.
So we are on our way to Springbrook, and this is what I have to endure during our 40-minute drive there.
It's beautiful.
We had a few awesome burgers at Grilled. Just carbo loading for our intense 4-kilometer walk. See you there.
Such carbo load.
Such carbo.
And weeks went by but felt like hours. Spring would lie in summer showers. In my hair were winter flowers. And weeks went by but felt like hours. Seasons multiplying power that I found in winter flowers.
Hello.
We are in fact behind the waterfall.
It is freaking beautiful, and this is exactly why I moved to Australia.
Welcome, foreigner.
Canada's beautiful in a different way, but they don't have waterfalls like this. I'm just gonna go for a dive.
And weeks went by but felt like hours. Spring would lie in summer showers. In my hair were winter flowers. And weeks went by but felt like hours. Seasons multiplying power that I found in winter flowers.
So we're here for part 2 of today's journey, which involves a journey into the depths of Natural Bridge. Natural Bridge is a nice little part of Springbrook National Park, and it has 2 features which have drawn us here.
There's a wallaby.
Why didn't you show the wallaby?
It's gone.
Sorry guys. And now it's gonna seem like we're just faking that.
This has only just begun.
Hello. Guess where we are. Where are we?
We're in Natural Bridge.
Yes.
We're directly under the waterfall. It's so beautiful here.
It's incredible.
Although I'm pretty sure that we're swimming with about 1,000 eels right now. See you soon.
So, we are walking down the thinking steps at Bond University, also known as the Chamber of Secrets to some of us. And conveniently enough, we have a guest. For those of you that don't know what Australia can be like, have a look at Exhibit A.
This is my hand. Well, it's gonna like eat me. I don't know if you can see the contrast.
Yes, we can.
It's actually huge.
It's huge. That's all. Okay, bye.